Hi everyone, welcome back to the Investing Iguana, where I share with you the latest tips and tricks on how to grow your money in Singapore. I'm your host, Iggy, and today we're going to talk about a hot topic that has been buzzing around the internet lately, Maribank's new 2.88% upsized interest rate. Is it worth your attention? Is it too good to be true? And how does it compare to other savings accounts in the market? Let's find out. First of all, what is Maribank? Maribank is one of the 4 digital banks that have been granted licenses by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, MAS, to operate in Singapore. The other 3 are GXS Bank, Trust Bank, and City Plus. These digital banks are different from traditional banks because they do not have physical branches or ATMs. Instead, they operate entirely online through their mobile apps or websites. They also offer innovative features and services that cater to the needs of the digital-savvy customers. Maribank was the last of the 4 digital banks to launch its public signups in March 2023, after GXS Bank and Trust Bank had already attracted more than 1 billion Singapore dollars in deposits each. To make up for the lost ground, Maribank decided to offer a generous promotion for its customers, an upsized interest rate of 2.88% PA on their entire Mari savings account balance. This promotion was announced on September 15, 2023, and took effect on September 18, 2023. It was a surprise move that caught many people's attention, especially since the previous interest rate was only 2.5% PA. So, how does Maribank's 2.88% interest rate work? Well, it's actually very simple. There are no minimum deposit, salary credit requirement, or minimum spend amount to qualify for this interest rate. All you need to do is to open a Mari savings account with Maribank and deposit any amount of money into it. You will then earn 2.88% PA on your entire balance, up to a maximum deposit of 75,000 Singapore dollars. The interest is credited daily, so you can enjoy daily compounding as well. There are also no transfer fees or fall below fees for this account. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, there is a catch. Maribank has not disclosed how long this promotion will last. It could be for a few months, or it could be for a few days. We don't know for sure. What we do know is that this promotion is subject to change without prior notice. That means Maribank can lower the interest rate at any time without giving you any warning or explanation. So, if you're thinking of opening a Mari savings account and taking advantage of this promotion, you might want to act fast before it's gone. But before you rush to open a Mari savings account, let's take a look at how it compares to other savings accounts in Singapore. According to SingSaver, MoneySmart, and Value Champion, some of the best savings accounts in Singapore are: a Standard Chartered Bonus Saver account. This account offers up to 7.88% PA, but you need to have a high income, spend a lot on your credit card, invest with Standard Chartered, and maintain a large balance. B UOB One account. This account offers up to 7.8% PA, but you need to spend at least 500 Singapore dollars on your credit card every month, credit your salary, or make 3 gyro payments every month, and maintain an average balance of 75,000 Singapore dollars. C OCBC 360 account. This account offers up to 7.65% PA, but you need to credit your salary or make 3 gyro payments every month, spend at least 500 Singapore dollars on your credit card every month, increase your balance by at least 500 Singapore dollars every month, invest or insure with OCBC, and maintain an average balance of 200,000 Singapore dollars. D BOC Smart Saver. This account offers up to 7% PA, but you need to credit your salary or make 3 gyro payments every month, spend at least 500 Singapore dollars on your credit card every month, pay at least 3 bills online every month, and maintain an average balance of 60,000 Singapore dollars. E RHB High Yield Savings Plus. This account offers up to 7% PA, but you need to maintain an average balance of 100,000 Singapore dollars. As you can see, these accounts offer higher interest rates than Maribank's 2.88% PA, but they also have more requirements and conditions that you need to meet. If you can meet them, then you might be better off with these accounts. However, if you can't meet them or you don't want to deal with the hassle of fulfilling them, then Maribank's 2.88% PA might be a good option for you. Of course, there are also other savings accounts that offer lower interest rates than Maribank's 2.88% PA, but they also have fewer or no requirements and conditions. Some of these accounts are a GXS savings account. This account offers 2.68% PA with no minimum deposit, salary credit requirement, or minimum spend amount. However, this account has a limited number of slots available, and it is currently fully allocated for the second time. B. Trust Savings Account. This account offers 2.5% PA, with no minimum deposit, salary credit requirement, or minimum spend amount. However, this account is only available for Singaporeans and permanent residents who are above 18 years old. C. Standard Chartered Jumpstart. This account offers 2.5% PA for the first 20,000 Singapore dollars and 0.1% PA for the next 80,000 Singapore dollars, with no minimum deposit, salary credit requirement, or minimum spend amount. However, this account is only available for Singaporeans and permanent residents who are between 18 and 26 years old. D. CIMB Fast Saver. This account offers 3.5% PA for the first 50,000 Singapore dollars, 2% PA for the next 25,000 Singapore dollars, and 0.3% PA for the next 25,000 Singapore dollars, with no minimum deposit, salary credit requirement, or minimum spend amount. These accounts offer lower interest rates than Maribank's 2.88% PA, but they also have fewer or no restrictions and limitations. If you value simplicity and flexibility over interest rates, then you might prefer these accounts over Maribank's 2.88% PA. So, to sum up, Maribank's 2.88% upsized interest rate is a generous promotion that is worth your attention if you're looking for a simple and easy way to earn high interest on your savings. However, you should also be aware of the uncertainty and volatility of this promotion, as well as the alternatives and competitors in the market. Ultimately, the best savings account for you depends on your personal preferences and circumstances. That's all for today's episode of the Investing Iguana. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Also, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of Maribank's 2.88% upsized interest rate. Do you think it's worth it? Why or why not? I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.